Hernandez, Andrea Chalita, and Maria Ramirez. Our teacher is Hugo, and map is fun.
A rectangular parcel of land has an area of 5,000 square meters. A diagonal between opposite corners is measured to be 10 feet longer than one side of the parcel. What are the dimensions of the land, rounded to the nearest foot?
Our problem is solved by Pythagoras Theorem.
Hi, I'm Daniela, and I'm going to explain how we solve the problem. Okay, first,
let me take a selfie.
We decided to solve it with Pythagoras Theorem. So the formula to solve it is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we have a and we have c. So we have to put x squared plus b squared equals x plus 10 to the square. Now the way to solve this equation is a squared plus 2ab plus c plus b squared. So now we have here, and if we isolate b, we can eliminate the x's because it's minus x squared plus x squared. So we end up with b squared equals 20x plus 100. The way to eliminate this square is right here. We put a root on 20x plus 100. Okay, now, like this is b, we have to multiply a plus b equals c. But to eliminate the root here, we have to elevate x to the square and multiply c. So we end up with 20x to the cubic plus 100x squared equals 25 million. To make it easier, we can simplify it. So we look and we decided that we can divide this this equation with this number divided by 10. Okay, and now we end up with 2x to the cube plus 10x squared equals 2,500,000. We can still simplify it. So we divided this equation and this number by 2, and we end up with this equation. Okay, now we have to find a number that multiplied by the exponents and the coefficients gets closer to 1,250,000. And with this we have to make it by trying. And so we decided, because we have to round it, because the number that gets the exact number is between 106.5 and 106. So we round it, and we decided it's going to be 106, that equals x. And we get 1,247,000. Now we have to multiply it by this equation, without the root, to get this number, that is 47.1. If you multiply this number plus this number, it won't give you the 5,000 because it's with decimals. So to have the exact number, you have to multiply 106 with the decimals and this. And so b is equal to 47 and x equals to 106. And that's how you get the area. And if you multiply the numbers, you're going to have the area of the parcel.
Let me take another selfie.
Our flow chart. We start asking ourselves if we're going to use our Pythagoras Theorem. If we're going to use them, we're going to use the formula hypotenuse and hic. Hic in Spanish means cateto. We are going to use our Pythagoras, and we're going to use this one. So the formula will be h squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie.
In real life, we can use Pythagoras Theorem in a lot of things, like to calculate the surface of a land or to calculate the height of a building. It's really easy to know how to calculate the land of something when you have triangles. So it's easy for you to take it and apply it on your daily life.
Let me take a selfie.